In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing your game, you can press the escape button to open the pause menu, and then click on Settings, which is directly underneath the load button, or the first clickable button counting from the top. Once you are inside the settings page, make sure you are within the first tab, which is the general menu, and you will find the language drop-down menu at the very beginning. If you are within your game, you will be told that it can only be changed within the main menu, which means that you will need to make a quick save and go back into the main menu by clicking on Exit to Main Menu. Then from here, once again go into Settings, and from the General tab, click on the drop-down menu at the very beginning to select from the list of available languages. After clicking on your desired language, click on the Accept button to accept your changes. After this, your chosen language will be applied, and you can continue your game with this language right away. If you wish to change it once again in the future, just click on Settings, which is the first option at the bottom left, and from the General tab, click on the drop-down menu at the very beginning. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.